So, Google seems to be speeding up its entire product release cycle. After catching the market off guard by launching the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, Pixel 9 Pro XL, and Pixel 9 Pro Fold 2 months ahead of their typical schedule, and with rumors suggesting that Android 16 might arrive sooner than expected, the Pixel 9a appears to be following the same trend. Reports from multiple sources indicate that pre-orders for the Pixel 9a will begin in mid-March 2025, with shipping and in-store availability anticipated before the month ends. As previously mentioned, the Pixel 9a will be available in 4 color options: porcelain, obsidian, peony, and iris. Interestingly, sources also point to this early release becoming the new standard for the Pixel A series. The validity of this rumor is further strengthened by the early appearance of CAD renders for the Pixel 9a, which surfaced ahead of the usual timeframe. Google's decision to bring forward the Pixel 9a's release date makes sense, particularly with the Pixel 10 slated for an August 2025 launch. This year, Google began shifting its pattern by unveiling the Pixel 9 series in mid-August, a significant change from its traditional October launches. Historically, Google would release its Pixel devices in October, with availability beginning towards the end of the month. However, this schedule often seemed poorly timed, as Black Friday followed just weeks later, leading to heavy discounts on newly released models. By moving up the release date, Google can potentially secure a larger share of the market before the holiday shopping season kicks in. In addition to the Pixel release changes, Android 16 is also rumored to be launching earlier than expected, with a release plan for second quarter of 2025. According to a report from Android Authority, the AOSP push for Android 16 could happen before the end of June 2025. However, this doesn't necessarily imply an immediate update for Pixel devices. Based on the current Android 15 rollout, the Pixel update for Android 16 could still align with the Pixel 10's August 2025 debut. While the exact reason for Google's accelerated release schedule remains unconfirmed, the shift makes strategic sense. By launching its devices earlier, Google can better align with its partners' release cycles, giving it a competitive edge. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming Pixel 9a? Drop your opinions in the comments below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.